He's back. Same guy as the EV6. We're doing more upgrades. We just got finished with this, got finished with that, and now we're doing this. Yes, yes. And we have the touch. This one's the cool one. We're gonna open her up and take everything out and start putting things in. And we're going to go into rear camera. But first, let's get this off. This is all one piece. So it looks to me like the back one would come off first. So let's take this one off first and see what we're up against. So I took this off right here. And I wish I got it on video because it hit the ground, it bounced, hit my water ball on the ground. Nice. But it's showing me that there's clips. So that's good because now we can use this as a handle and pull down. And pull this guy out of the socket. Both hands, please. Yep. All clips. So let's keep going. Be careful though. This is kind of sharp. You will cut yourself on this plastic. So both hands firmly. Do it one, but both hands. And then come on this side because it's almost all the way out. And then there you go. Slash into your head. It's got wires, so it's going to be dangling. So let's get them out before they break. So silly. This one's facing you. This one's not facing you. How nice. You just pull these little tabs back and it'll fall right in your hands. There you go. Put it in a safe spot. Now, let's get this guy. Pull this. I'm sure it comes out this way. Gotta love the Americans. See that clip right there? See it's poking its little head right there? Yeah, look at this. Just won't come out. Look at this. Gotta love the Americans. It's like Chevy and Jeep got together and said, let's put the worst clips in. And they get stuck in there. Nice, right? Nice, right? So with a tool like this, you want to get them out. You see? Like this. Comes right out. But yeah, it won't come out with the plastic. So let me show you how to fix this. You need something like this. And push these little teeth back in. I've done this way before, plenty of times before, but let's get something to push them back. That's what you're doing. You're pushing the teeth back forward. Unlike this one, looks like a pair of, it's like a paper clip remover. I'm sorry, staple remover. So they're bent back forward. So stupid. And then push it right back on. See? Good. You get the idea. Now let's finally mount the camera. So we've got, ooh, we got plenty of room in this one. Ooh. Let's see. Look at this. Even with that plastic on plastic, they don't come out. Oh, gotta love it. Look, both stayed. This time around, we're gonna use a regular old black zip tie. We're gonna come up through this, through that little grommet right here, and snake it through. Ooh, a little wiggling and pulling. We're gonna pull this guy right out because he's got plenty of room here. You see? Just squeeze and pull and straighten and it will come right out. You see? We fingered it out. One goes up this way, one goes in this way, and we catch it and we find it, and there we have the wire. And let's mount it because we're going to put our slack here because we don't want to pull in the door. You want to leave the connection here if you ever want to replace it. Now we leave it dangle because we taped up the slack. Good so far? The hardest part is just about done. And then we're going to run the wire all the way to the front, and I like it being black headliner because you can hide all the wire right in there. Look, I just did it by hand. Just shove it in there. Look, just shove it in there. Or, gotta get this tool. This thing's awesome. Let me put that back. Let me put this plate back. Just snap it right back up. Or use this to get the rubber straightened out. You see? I likey. Now let's go get the wire. This is what I mean by just shoving it in. Look. Love it. But we can get the tool. Can't get our finger in there. And then pulling the rubber right down out of your way, just using your bare hands. You see? You want it to go right behind. I don't know, you can just pull it. It's going in. Gone. Alright, so again with the trollers, you're going above the airbag with both hands. But I could do it with one. You see? Just shove it up in there and it won't do anything. It won't be in anyone's way. Let's go get a long snake for this one. So I just came on this side with my left hand and this with my right hand and just pushed it forward. And that gives us enough room. See that light right there? Yeah! So a nice swift hit. Put it right back, push the rubber back. Let's keep moving forward because we already snaked it through. It's right down the floor. Same thing over here. Just push it up into the headliner. Good? Good. And don't make the common mistake of leaving it on this side. You want to go inside the rubber. You want to go on the inside of the car, not the outside of the car. Look at this. Super easy. Just literally pulls right out. Right behind the airbag. Alright, now we're going to tape the camera. I'm going to take the camera out and we're going to go mount the wire. I'm going to tape it to it like we do always and run it to get this out of our way. Let's go get the camera. We're going to take this guy off only. Try to be careful because you only want this part. So this squeezes in and it pops out towards you. Let me get it out. I'll show you. So I use something like this to just get into the crack, okay? There's a little tab right here. Oop, as it goes flying. Right there. That's where you're unlocking. You see? That's where you're unlocking. And I don't want to disturb this, so don't try to. So we might just come down right here. Okay, the only reason why I took this thing off is because I could run the wires behind it. These guys run this behind the actual wire. So it'll stay on our side. You see? Now let's go passenger side and mount that camera. And that's almost identical to where this sits. I didn't do that intentionally. That was just accident. So that's where I mounted it. So the wires can go right up here. And this one was able to actually go this side so the elbow goes to the driver's. And we're going to try to just stuff the wire just like this. Don't disturb that. Don't pop it off. Yo. So let's go get a little tool and see if we can get this wire to go in a little further in. But we can probably do it with our hands. There you go. There you go. So you're pulling this back a bit as you stuff the wire in. Good? Good. And we're going to give it a little slack. I'm going to take some back. There you go. There you go. So, there we go. Let's go up into the headliner and keep moving forward. Let's go back to the passenger side. Driver's side. Look at this. Look how easy. Just put your hand in there and just pull backwards. Let me see. Just stuff it. Just stuff it. Just stuff it. There you go. Pull this back. Get the slack out. Look at this. Easy peasy. I got faith in you. You don't have to watch the rest. And that's why I put the camera where it is. So you can't see it from the driver's side. That's what you want. Good? Good. Let's stuff all this slack. Align that little tab. And smack it. There you go. And let's run the wires all the way down. We're going to catch power. We're going to do it a different way. This time we don't have a fuse box on this side. I don't feel like digging for one. So I'm going to show you how to grab power. It's right there. So this one we're doing differently. We pop this off. Okay, this is just a ledge. Easy. Pop, pop, pop. All right, now pull the rubber back. Okay, and you gotta be able to get this out. Only one clip right there. And this is just a guide. So keep putting it back. It's sort of, you just wanna get this, push. to release. Gives you the room that you need. Putting it back, okay? I want to align this stupid thing. See how it's caught? I want to come up under. Got too much stuff over here. Get out of the way. Okay. I want to just sort of weasel it in. Align it. That stupid big guide is going to allow you to align it. There you go. You see? See? Easy. I'm going to pull it back out. Here's hot, and here's ignition. Pink yellow. Big thick wires. So we're going to use any one of these as a fuse. We don't have to, but I'm going to show you how you can use this as an actual still fuse tab, even though we don't have another fuse on the other side. Let me show you. Okay, so if we have that in one side, we want to touch this side, and you see how it makes connection? So that means it's going through the fuse. Now let's undo the fuse. I'll take the fuse out. And you see? We lost connection. So it's still going through the fuse. You see? You see? Fuse makes contact on this side, and it comes out on this side. So we're still going through the fuse. So it's a modification. You see what I did? I took a spade, plugged it into here, just like I did over here. Now we're going to tape this up. No, it's not 15 amps. There's no way this camera takes more than 3. We switched to 2 spades, and we did T-tabs. Now I'm only doing T-tabs because I already did a subwoofer down there. I already did the speakers, and now I'm finishing up the dash cam. So I'm tired, getting old for this. Here's your hot, here's your ignition. So I'm going to show you the end result. Ooh. Ooh. It even says accessory. So that's what I did. Nice tape job. So you can still use them, just in a different way. And the fuse will still work. Got it? Good. Let's go put that cover up and show you that this thing is working. Ooh. Ooh. Set it up. It's a touchscreen too. Ooh. Ooh. Look, it's dangling. Let's go put them out. But bottom legs first. We're finishing up the install. And we're gonna put that back in and snap this back on. And look at this. Perfect. Wrapping up. Wire, driver's side. Center is center. I only did this temporarily because I wanted to see which way was which. So you want to get as center as possible. You can probably stick it to this, but I don't like these because it gets really hot. I'd rather have it in the glass, but either way, it's up to you. So putting this back on, make sure you align all of them. They will give you a tough time, as it did mine. So you can put your fingers in there and align the actual push pins. So there you have it. Just push your ball back up, align it back up. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.